Yeah.
Hey, this is Ron with Cherry One Motors, and we're back working on the 1968 Ford Bronco. We have 4 drum brakes, and we're going to convert all the way to 4 disc brakes. We're going to start on the rear, and we'll start by pulling this. Well, we started by just jacking the car up. We have a nice ability to just jack the whole rear end up, lock it in place, block the front wheels, and now we're going to pull the wheels and tires off and dig into it. First thing we're going to do is just pull the drum off, and then I'm going behind with a 3/4 inch line wrench, and I'm going to loosen up back here. There's a steel brake line. I'm going to loosen that up, just real easy. Okay, being that we're not going to be changing the pads or messing with it or anything, we just want it off. Just going to use a 9/16 socket, and you rotate this opening up, and there's 4 bolts in there and nuts. We're just going to pull the nuts out. And, let's see here. Okay, so the whole brake assembly is loose, and now we're just going to pop, hopefully just pop the axle out. And sometimes it wants to come, and sometimes you have to get a little bit excited with it. So as we break that out, I can immediately see that we have an issue with rust. And take a look at this bearing. We've got some rust on it, and it doesn't feel so great. So these are going to have to come off. We're going to replace those. Just pull this out the rest of the way. Okay, and there we go. At this point, we're going to get this stud. It's stuck in here. We're going to get that stud out. We're going to clean all this up, degrease it, Scotch-Brite it, and I'll go ahead and remove the shock. And then while we're in here, we're going to go ahead and repaint all of this and get ready for the installation of the new disc brake system on the rear. All right, well, thanks for joining me and watching us here at Cherry One Motors. This is how it's very simple how to disassemble the rear brake system and pull the axles on a 1968 Ford Bronco. We'll get this mess cleaned up, get it repainted, get some new bearings, and we'll pick back up when it's time to reassemble with the new disc brake system, the conversion kit. Look forward to seeing you. If you like anything that you've seen here, send us a comment, or if you have any suggestions or ideas, tell us about it, and don't forget to subscribe. Look forward to seeing you.
Yeah.